Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could easily fix the TikTok recharge problem. So if you are facing some problems while recharging your TikTok payment and you don't know how to fix that, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your TikTok mobile application. Once you're on your TikTok app, what you have to do is to simply tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on your TikTok profile, what you have to do is to simply tap on the three little lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are over here, head towards the settings and privacy button at the bottom. From here, you have to scroll a little bit down and you will get the option of free up space. So once you find that option, simply head towards that particular option. Now you will get two different options, which is like cache and download. So what you have to do is to simply clear out the cache, and after that most of your issue would be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.